Hi, I'm Miss Sudcamp, and welcome to Art 1 class. So, welcome everyone. This is a beginner level class. I do not have any expectations of the students having a ton of art knowledge coming into this. I grade every student on an individual basis. So, let's talk a little bit about what this class is. So, as far as projects go, in this class, students will be learning a variety of art techniques, some of the art history, and learning about artists from around the world. Students will be creating their pieces in class, and then they will be turning in their work on a digital portfolio, which we'll talk a little bit more about. So, what do they need material wise? What do they need to bring to class? Most things are going to be provided in this class, but they still need a couple items. All right, the most important of all the items on here is going to be the sketchbook. Sketchbook is We use it every single day. It can either be book bound, like the one in the photo, or it can be something that is spiral bound. I don't have an example around here. Oh, here. I have a spiral bound one here. That's something like this. And they will need it about 8 by 10 or 9 by 12 size would be good. And we'll be using it every single day. Something that they will need in about 3 weeks' time is a set of paintbrushes. So the paintbrushes need to be good for watercolor or acrylic and have a variety of different brushes like the ones pictured. And these can be found on Amazon, Walmart, Target, a lot of different places. And then when we get to our painting unit, they have the option of bringing in a canvas if they would like. And I have some canvas paper they could paint on, but if they want to use a canvas, they can bring that one in. So let's talk about grading. All right, for grades, 50% of the grade is their project. So this is like that 1 week ish assignment that they are going to have time to work on every day. 30% is small assignments, sketchbook assignments, things like if I want them to plan something or warm ups, stuff like that. And 20% is their reflections on the projects. So this is their written part. This is taking good quality photos when they've finished, and they are posting them on their digital portfolio. So what's a digital portfolio? So the digital portfolio is actually a website that they have made and that they're going to be posting all of their work. So they'll get the assignments in Google Classroom, and we'll talk about them in class. They'll make the pieces, and then they are going to be posting them on their site and turning it back in on Google Classroom. So, Google Classroom. Even though we're not virtual this year, we are still using Google Classroom, and they're turning in their work on that platform. At this time, I can't invite parents to the Google Classroom, but just ask your student to pull up their site, pull up the classroom if you want to see if any work is missing. You might want to, if sometimes they turn it in and it's blank, so you might want to just double check that they've always attached something to the work they've turned in. So the best contact for me, I have remind codes. That's probably going to be the fastest way to get in touch with me because it goes straight to my phone. And if you want to sign up for that, you can download the Remind app, and there are my codes for period 1 and period 4. And my email is ksudcamp@wcpss.net. So I have a couple things on wish list. If you're able to send them in, that'd be amazing. Like Band-Aids, cleaning wipes, 2X shirts or smocks or aprons, because we do some stuff that's a little messy in here, and it's nice to have those in stock. Paintbrushes, it's nice to have some extra paintbrushes for a student that didn't bring them in or anything like that. And command hooks would be also incredible. And thank you so much. If you need me at all, you can send me this email or sign up for the Remind and send me a Remind message. Thank you.